Welcome! If you want to get iOS launcher on your UMIDIGI A9, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type iOS launcher. We are going to download this application from multi developer, so let's install. Right now we can open. Next we have to accept all permissions that pops on our screen. Click on the home button, select iOS Launcher 14 and select Always. As you can see right now we are here with this application. We can edit icons on the home screen. We can also go for the widgets. And if you want to customize other things, you can feel free and enter for this launcher and just set it up whatever you want. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!